The latest technology in hard floor cleaning is here. CROSSWAVE HF3 Pet Professional vacuums, washes and sanitizes your hard floors all at the same time, and is our lightest, quietest and most compact CROSSWAVE to date. To begin using HF3, simply fill up the removable clean water tank with warm tap water, not boiling, and add the desired amount of BISSELL CROSSWAVE compatible formula. Then reattach the tank once you're ready to begin cleaning. Not only is CROSSWAVE HF3 light and agile, it's also easy to use. Simply turn it on with one button and let the HF3's forward motion motor effortlessly glide across all of your hard floors, vacuuming and mopping in one simple step. You don't even have to think. CROSSWAVE HF3 automatically dispenses clean water and formula over the brush roll for you. Use low mode for a near dry finish and high mode for stuck-on messes. Its super low profile and swivel steering lets you easily navigate around furniture and into awkward spaces. Plus, HF3's state-of-the-art digital motor not only has amazing suction power, but its innovative delay stop feature ensures nothing is left behind. And when you're done cleaning, with the press of a button, CROSSWAVE HF3 will even rinse itself with its self-cleaning cycle. And of course, all parts are easily removable and accessible by hand for easy maintenance. In the box, you'll receive the CROSSWAVE HF3 Pet Professional 3639H, the self-cleaning and charging dock, sample bottles of biodegradable BISSELL formula, 2 sets of washable and reusable CROSSWAVE HF3 filters, 2 multi-surface pet brush rolls, and the cleaning brush with attached strainer for separating solid waste from the liquid when emptying. The CROSSWAVE HF3 Pet Professional will also come with a 3-year warranty. Full-sized bottles of BISSELL CROSSWAVE compatible formulas, spare filters, and additional brush rolls can be found in stores and online. The new BISSELL CROSSWAVE HF3 Pet Professional Hard Floor Washer is available now in store and online.